With ever-increasing sound and emission standards, manufacturers are forced to take drastic measures to make their bikes legal for sale. Look at this Suzuki 800D, for example. Suzuki no doubt has amazing engineers and designers, but even they are forced to slap on a huge exhaust, choke up the airbox, and add catalytic converters to make the bikes legal for sale. Now, I get it, there is a place for sound and emissions regulations. However, as an owner of a vehicle, we're unfortunately losing performance and our bikes sound like crap. So what do we do as owners? Well, we can get rid of all the crap we don't need on our bikes, and we can change the exhaust. I have here in my hands an SC Project Rally Raid exhaust. Today we're going to put this on my Suzuki 800D. In the process, we're going to shed a heap of weight, make the bike sound a ton better, and gain some performance. For those who don't know SC Project, they're an exhaust manufacturer, funnily enough, who supply exhaust to MotoGP teams and stuff like that. And they're really well known in the sports bike world, but they're kind of getting into the adventure bike scene. SC Project is saying that you're gonna drop about 2.6 kilos by having this on your bike. We'll weigh all that and check it as we go along. But man, the 800DE really needs a different exhaust. The one on this chokes it up so much, and you can tell it wants to be a great sounding bike. It's just that it's got this big boat anchor on the back. So let's get rid of that and chuck this bad boy on. All right, we have some packaging here and instructions by the looks of it. So I'll have a quick read of that. This looks like a carbon exhaust cover. Another thing on the Suzuki, it has this crappy plastic cover that it breaks straight away and bends. Like, look at that. It just flops around and breaks. And there's also a metal heat shield they put on. Like, it's just a crap design. I don't like it at all. So here we've got a new bracket to go on and the mounting hardware. Then inside we've got another box, which is the actual exhaust. Let's open it up. Oh baby, let's have a look. There it is, everyone, the SC Project Rally Raid exhaust. Super keen to put this on. I think it's going to sound absolutely mint. Goes that way. So the stock exhaust, it sounds okay. Now it's running, it definitely sounds better, but it's still really quiet. You know, I was actually stalling the bike a lot on the trails when I first got it. So let's take it off. We'll weigh both exhausts and then chuck on the SC Project. Oh yeah. Let's get this boat anchor off, eh? Righto, let's see what tools we need. Looks like that Allen key fits in nicely. There's a nut behind as well. Let's take that off. So there's this metal heat shield to take off as well. I took it off ages ago. It's just I don't know, it's just unnecessary weight in my opinion. Chuck it in the bin. Then we get this plastic one off and promptly throw that in the bin as well. And the exhaust clamp here. Whoa. There's the stock exhaust. Let's throw that in the bin too. All right, stock exhaust. She's a chunky boy. 5 kilos. I reckon we're gonna be about half the weight. 2.2, so more than half the weight. That's 2.8 kilos right there. Slip that on. Little dab of Loctite. Never goes astray, right? Get out the trusty 10mm. While we're here, we might as well pull out the airbox snorkel as well. These ones are piss easy. You just yank them out like that and just pop them back in if need be. what, that sounds pretty spot on with the baffle in, but I did notice that it has a removable baffle. It's just been pop riveted in, so no doubt I'll drill that out in the future and we'll see how that sounds and performs too. So there we have it, guys. We dropped 2.8 kilos just by changing the exhaust. It sounds way better. No doubt it'll sound absolutely mean with the insert out too. And just look at it. It looks absolutely fantastic. There's a huge step up in looks and we're getting that bit more performance too. And no doubt if we take it to the dyno shop, put a flash through it and tune it too, we're gonna get more performance again. And here's the thing, guys, while these are big heavy bikes, they come with a lot of unnecessary crap. You just take it off, you're saving 4 or 5 kilos instantly. You know, the exhaust, rear foot pegs, I don't need them. Take them off, that was about 1.5 kilos alone. Then if you want to do a tail tidy, get rid of the snorkels and other stuff, you're improving performance and getting rid of weight. And that's always a positive on a motorcycle, especially when a lot of it you can do for free. All right, everyone, if you haven't, make sure you click that subscribe button. By doing that, you're supporting an independent motorcycle reviewer and you're helping me create more content. All right, everyone, keep it on the back wheel. Catches.